Here we are in London, Kentucky, Monday, January the 17th, 2022. We've had a heck of a snowstorm yesterday and still snowing. I have made it to work this morning, won a few. We got a senior citizen we work with. I've tried to clear a path to his truck for him. These old timers work, the young guys won't. Of course, I don't know, this guy's young. They are exceptions. Got our data center going strong. There's my truck after my 4-mile journey to work. Over there's the main highway. You can tell they ain't much astern. Just a bad time. It's about 29 degrees. I'm gonna shovel this sidewalk. See what we can get done here on this Monday. Everybody be safe. Have a good day.